If you've ever watched a space video or seen Jupiter on your phone, one fact sounds almost unbelievable. The largest planet in the solar system spins once in just about 10 hours. That means a day on Jupiter is less than half a day on Earth, even though Jupiter is more than 11 times wider. Normally, we expect bigger things to move more slowly. So, this raises a fascinating question. Why does Jupiter spin so fast? How can something so massive rotate so quickly? To understand this, we need to go back to the birth of the solar system. Jupiter formed from a massive cloud of gas and dust that was already spinning in space. As gravity pulled this material inward, forming the young planet, the spinning motion didn't stop, it was preserved. This is due to a key idea in physics called conservation of angular momentum. You can see this in action with a figure skater. When they pull their arms inward, they spin faster. Jupiter formed in a similar way. As more material collapsed toward its center, its rotation sped up. And because Jupiter gathered an enormous amount of gas, this effect became extremely powerful. Then there's another important factor. Nothing really slows Jupiter down. Unlike Earth, Jupiter doesn't have a solid surface creating friction. Its outer layers are mostly gas, allowing it to keep spinning freely. Over billions of years, this rapid motion has stayed almost unchanged. Now here's the visible proof. Jupiter isn't perfectly round. It bulges at the equator and is slightly flattened at the poles. Its fast rotation also creates strong jet streams, forming the colorful bands we see across the planet. The insight here is powerful. Motion in space tends to last. Once something starts spinning, it keeps going unless a force slows it down. Jupiter simply never lost that original spin it gained during its formation. In the end, Jupiter spins so fast because it formed from a spinning cloud, sped up as it grew, and never had anything strong enough to slow it down. Hit like and subscribe to stay updated. Check the description for more.